It's impossible to eat just one piece. In a pan, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. With the fire still out, mix well until this starch is completely dissolved. Soon after, add 200 grams of cream, 200 ml of coconut milk, 100 grams of grated coconut, 200 ml of milk. Now with the fire on, mix everything until this cream is cooked and start to thicken. This is the ideal point, very consistent and ungluing from the pan. Retire from the fire and grease a mold with oil. And then add all the cream. This is a super quick and easy dessert to make, and for you who like coconut, it's perfect. With a spoon, just spread it out evenly. Now just take it to the fridge and leave it for at least 2 hours. And it's ready. Now just unmold it with the help of a plate. And to finish, treat the grated coconut to taste. Guys, I hope you enjoyed and do it at your house, which I'm sure that everyone will love. This coconut dessert is delicious. This was another recipe from Pur in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.